going on, bros? It's me, Zayden, and welcome to the XK Bros channel. Today I'm going to be solving the 3x3 and the 2x2 and seeing how fast I can solve them. Of course, I have the timer here, and I will let my dad scramble this just so it'll be fair. That's now solved. Okay, I just need to solve the third layer and done. Yeah, so this is our time right now, 1 minute and 7 seconds. Here just so you can see. Here's even the Rubik's Cube to approve. It is solved. And now time for the 2x2. Okay. So I'll let my dad scramble this once again because just so you know, it's fair. This thing there. Okay. So you can see again my dad is scrambling it. Here it is. See, it's scrambled. I'll have to inspect it before I solve. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Seconds. And here is 19 seconds. Here's the cube for reference. Now let my dad scramble it again. Here. So another time, you know. And guys, before we go into the next scramble, just want to let you know that to follow our social medias in the I will put the link in the description down below. You can join our Discord server and communicate with us further and like that. And we have our Instagram and our Facebook page. So make sure you join it right now. The XK Nation is awaiting you. Okay. And make sure, guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video we upload. And make sure to subscribe to our family channel, the XK family, link in the description down below. So here's the Rubik's Cube that is scrambled. And let's start the timer. I forgot this time, but it's fine. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh, this just got lucky. 12 seconds. Right here, 12 seconds. And here's the cube. Now I'll start solving the 3x3 once again. And just making sure I have to change it again. So, yeah. Okay. Now this is my dad's scramble it. So, make sure to actually also watch our Minecraft video. We actually have a Minecraft series going on right now. We have 2 episodes so far, and we even have another Minecraft content we upload. you can see in our channel that we have a section there, a playlist for our Minecraft episodes for our series and Minecraft upload. I mean Minecraft. Already. Oh no, I think I might have messed up. Oh no. Ooh. Okay, here's the cross now. The fish. Make this yellow. Oh no, this is, I think this just works. Okay. Boom. Done. Okay, so inspection it is solved. Time is 1 minute and 20 seconds. That's even worse than the first one, but it's fine. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do last round for the 3x3 and the 2x2. So let's do the 3x3 first. Yo, my dad scramble it. Might have accidentally nearly dropped the 3x3. Oh no, that's bad. That would be very bad for the video. What should we do? Okay, here. Rubik's Cube. Timer. Now I'll have to inspect this. Okay, this should be very easy, I guess. I don't know. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, pink, go there. Green, you can go right here. Orange there. Okay. Man, that was lucky. Solved the first layer already. And still 26 seconds already. Oh no. See if I could. Oh no, come on. I wanna at least beat one of my times here. Okay, it's just this one. Second layer. Oh no, in already. Fish already. Yellow already. Okay. Blue there. Come on, that beat the last round second. Drop the cube. Okay. So here's the cube. It's solved. Inspection and let's see. The time is 1 minute and 24 seconds. 4 seconds difference between my last round and this round. Now let me do the 2x2 and make my dad's also like there. Hopefully I at least get 4 seconds in the video. Yeah, I have to change this as well. Make sure to subscribe to our family channel once again. Okay, guys, make sure to comment what if you are even doing some Rubik's Cube as well, like me, and if what's your best time for the 2x2 and for the 3x3, or you know you can just do 3, 4x4 any time. Doesn't matter. Okay, so here's the Rubik's Cube. It is currently scrambled and timer ready. Just need to inspect it now. Okay, this seems easy. 3, 2, 1, go. Weird. Come on. 14 seconds. Anyway, here's the cue for proof. You don't believe me? It's right there. 14 seconds a time. I wish I could at least get 4 seconds. That would be good. That would be great. But off cam, I can actually get like 7 seconds, 8, 6, 5. So yeah. And I guess I could show you some tips, guys, for the 2x2 actually. I'll actually record a video for this, a separate video for a tutorial for the 2x2. I have my own method, so that's why I'm gonna make my own video. And my method actually helps you to become faster on solving a 2x2 than the normal beginner methods that are out there in the world, searching like that. And now at least I could show you some tips for the 3x3. Now let's scramble this really quick. So okay, let me just get into the situation for a second here. Okay, so here's a tip on solving the yellow thing, top. When you want to make the cross here, the yellow cross, it's very simple. All you need to do is do two rotation here. It's R for both of these. Then you want to do the normal, the normal. This is the normal thing, the cube notation. It's RU R prime U RU2 R prime. And I think you can do that. Okay. No, it's just RU R prime and U. Then at some point it will be solved. I just forgot to solve this part. Okay. So if you coming across like this method, all you need to do is just do one here, F. Then you can do U R prime U. I think I messed up. Uh-oh. Okay. So here, since it's like a bar, all you need to do is F, then RU R prime. Yeah, it's RU R prime. It's just F, RU, and then R prime. Then you might even end up with a fish here, for the yellow. Then you just do the normal notation. Do it twice, and then your yellow will be solved. Now, here's another tip. When solving, you have to look ahead. Like whenever you're gonna solve another piece, put it there. You have to look ahead when if there's another piece you can put in there. So, example. I know this part is right here, so I just need to do a notation. Then I'll look ahead that is still solved. So I have to turn right away, do the algorithms. Then that's already solved right away. See? Now that will be it for the end of this video. And if you wanna keep in touch with us, make sure to follow us in our social medias. Link in the description down below, our Discord server, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notifications to never miss another video we upload. And we even upload Call of Duty, Fortnite. We can even upload Roblox. Just tell us in the comment section down below of what game you want to see us play next. And make sure to subscribe to our family channel, the XK Family. It'll be linked in the description down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!